Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. I'm going to show you if this happens to your Masterbuilt. I didn't always have this cover, so it got beat up, and then just over time it's getting worse, and the heat of the actual oven kind of cracks it. So mine won't always turn on. It did though, look, but then sometimes it won't, and the buttons won't work. And my ups don't work anyway, so I can only go down. Okay, we're going to unplug this though so I don't get zapped. Unplug that. Okay, so here's how you do it. Okay, it's actually a pretty simple little thing. We're gonna have to pause it because we got a dumb dog. I don't even know if I said Masterbuilt smoker 30-inch. This is a glass door, but it has the same top on the metal door ones. It's the electric, and as you can see, look, it just from all the times of heating up and stuff, it breaks all the plastic. It comes with new screws. You buy this off of the Amazons. I will put a link below to it. Maybe it'll have a YouTube shop, and I'll put that on there too, but it may not. That screw taking forever, man. Okay. Pretty simple. Look at it, straightforward. Look, pull it up.
Screw the other bottom one clips into there.
Okay. Push down. Gentle. This, you don't want to break the one that's in. There you go. So that. Here's the new handy dandy. It doesn't say Masterbuilt, but as you can see, it's the same design.
Is that one less button? Oh no. What were these for?
Not buttons.
Oh.
Okay, so you're gonna take this here. Super simple. Plug it in. Shove this stuff down in there. Wrap it up inside like that. You're gonna take this screw, which is on there, find it, slide it, and then you're gonna take the new screws, which I might actually use the old ones. These look like they're different size, aren't they? They are. So the screws are not the same. They're like shorter for the new one. I'm gonna use the old ones then, just to be safe. Okay. Oh, man down. The new screws are the same. They're just not as long. Okay. Both in. Plug that back in for me. I'll do it. Alright, ready? So it's on. See the green light? You can't really because it's bright. And then. What?
It's not good.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
It's.
Oh, okay.
Told you it's too bright. We're in the sun. Do you see it? See that blinking? It's working. See temperature? Yeah, there's temperature. You want it blinking. Okay, see? Down works, up works. Time, down works, up works. Okay? And then what happens is you do this, and then the red light comes on. There you go. See the red light? That means it's on, it's cooking. We're turning off though. We're going to put the cover back on. And we're going to be done. So I hope you like it. If you do, please like and subscribe. That will help during these times. Get this trash out of the way. That's all the stuff that broke out of the inside there the other day. This is our cover. I made a big video to it. I'll put a link to that video too. That's the cover. It's nice. And just go on the top. This. Usually. It's easier when two of you do it than I can handle on the back.
I think you might have it on backwards.
What?
So I think you. No?
place enough. And I don't even do the Velcro half the time. It doesn't really matter. It's not blowing off. There's Velcro to tighten it if you want, but it doesn't affect anything. This thing is not moving. That one doesn't affect it. So there you go. That's a new cover for Masterbuilt. It costs like 20 bucks, you said?
Like 24 or something,
$24,
maybe.
I think, which sucks, but way better than buying a whole new smoker. So there you go. That's it. Because like Traveler helps first time, as always, I'm RJ. Sees that each and every day. Bye bye.